Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off friend requests in Blockman GO. If you don't want to receive friend requests from other players in Blockman GO, you can manage this from your privacy or account settings. First of all, open the Blockman GO application on your Android or iOS device and log in. Once you're logged into your account from the home page, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner and from your profile section, scroll down and tap on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, select Add Friend Method. On the next page, select Forbid anyone from sending friend requests, and once you do this, other players won't be able to send you friend requests, but the existing friends will not be removed from your friend list. So that is how you turn off friend requests in Blockman GO to keep your account private and distraction-free. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.